Action.
All right, guys, before we get into today's video, we got some business we got to go over. So that being merch, I guess you'd say, or apparel or whatever. Been asked about it. So we came up with, obviously I'm wearing the hoodie, but we came up with Reason Apparel. We figured it would be a good way to help, like, be able to support your guys' reasons for whatever it is that you guys like to do. Obviously, I'm in a diesel trucks. I have my reasons behind it. So the whole point of this was just to be able to help give back and support you guys. And so what we have 3 shirts. You have this Reason shirt. Has a definition for Reason on it. Typography tee, super comfy. Reason back piece with What's Your Reason below it. It's more of like a lightweight, super lightweight tee with the Reason logo on the front. Do it with Reason or Not At All tee. Super nice tee, same Reason logo on the front. And then we've got 2 hoodies. We have the gray, just the simple embroidery on it, and obviously I'm wearing the brown with the white embroidered in the middle. And then hats. So these hats are super awesome. I wear them out here all the time. Waterproof, sweat-proof. I wear them to the gym, everything. If you get them dirty, get a Wag-Ret, wipe them right off, and you're good to go. So if you guys want to check it out, get you guys something, much appreciated. ReasonApparel.com. And yeah, if you guys see anything you guys like, snag it, help your boy out. The goal would be to hopefully give away trucks one day. All I'm saying is, I don't know anyone that gives away first gens. Help me, help you. Now we're gonna get into today's video and get right into getting the steering and stuff put together. Okay, all right, guys. So what we got for you today is the best crossover steering kit for your first gen Cummins. This is all from FarFromStockStore.com. Huge thanks to them. So we've got factory gear or power steering pump chilling. It was in good shape. I just cleaned it up, painted it. We got the old plate off the side of it pulled off, so it's right here. Because we also got their steering box brace. This is all wrinkled black powder coat. So this will be mounted like so on the inside of the frame, and then this braces everything so that your frame doesn't crack. Some plates for the other side. This bracket to go over the diff, because this actually supports our Fox steering stabilizer. So brand new Fox Performance Series stabilizer. It'll be nice. You can hopefully see it under there chilling. This is the bracket that it mounts to. Being that we're going to crossover, here is the passenger side top knuckle, or whatever you want to call it, bolt down our bar. So this will be the steering one, going from the steering box over to the passenger side. And then here is the bar that crosses over with the little nut welded inside for the stabilizer to mount to. So all of this came from FarFromStockStore.com. It comes with everything. Got our new Pitman arm, and yeah, we're gonna get all of the steering and stuff put back on. I also got stuff back from Powder Coat. So we got the traction bars back. We have the turbo intercooler pipe, all the brackets and everything back. So everything should be matching. We should be able to get the steering and stuff all put on, and hopefully get started putting the front case and everything back together. And converter will be here next week, and we're getting real close. So let's just get into getting the stuff put on.
lock nuts.
I think we might have to drill this one. Yours fits, right? Let me see. Yeah, I think we have to drill them out.
Well, see, because they're concave, right? Like they go from big to small.
Yeah, you have to drill them out. Big ass drill bit acquired. We gotta drill our knuckles out to accept 3/4 inch. So we gotta drill them out. Other than that, haven't needed any other tools, right?
Making progress.
Pretty good little kit. So we're gonna drill out the tools. We've got the steering box brace in with the pump. As you can see, it's braced off of here, and then it's braced as well on the frame. So if you have a cracked frame or whatnot, we did have the steering bar in, but we forgot to put the lock nuts on.
Whoops.
But we'll get to that once we finish. Once we get to drilling, and it begins.
Yeah, that ain't gonna work. Just don't push, try it again.
20 minutes later.
Ready? Bottom.
That should be pretty close to.
Don't forget your jam nuts, folks. Okay, so can you see if you can turn it? Okay, test number dos. You ready? Clearance wise, zip. Nope, nope. Far from stock store if you're watching this. Right? Your bend on your tie rod needs to be like 2 inches
To the passenger side.
to the passenger side. We had to modify a little bit of homemade fabrication with a crescent wrench and bend this down a little bit to clear. As you can see, the bend is just a little bit too far in. It needs to be like 2 or 3 inches this way, and it'd be perfect. Other than that, she's pretty good.
Pretty seamless.
Yeah. Looks pretty good too. So, if you guys are doing this yourself, put this tie rod, or put that end
All the way
all
in.
the way in, this one until it matches, and you'll be closer, but we still had to bend this down a little bit just to make everything fit and not hit. But now we're looking A-okay.
Action.
All right, guys, so we got the steering kit put back together. We got the Far From Stock Store steering box brace. We got you can see the tie rod back in there. We got the Far From Stock Store full crossover kit here. So this is the 0 to 2 inch crossover kit with the Fox steering stabilizer. As you saw, if it doesn't, like their bend needs to be like 3 inches further down. We had to do a little bit of modification to the cross member for the engine, but overall it installed pretty easy. Like it's pretty simple. We got it aligned within like a 16th. So it looks pretty good. Should be a huge upgrade from the previous push-pull style. Get rid of all that. No more having to grease stuff and nice tie rod ends. This video is already probably pretty long at this point, so I'll probably end it here, but I'll probably get the front case put back together and some little odds and ends up here, so that, because the converter will be here next week, and I got to order power steering lines. The old ones are just cracked and broken. Get some new power steering lines, address the power steering leak, or the P-pump leak, and the fast. Other than that, converter, probably next video will be a transmission day. We'll get the converter, or the tranny pulled out, converter pulled out, new converter slammed in, and hopefully get this. I mean, I don't see why it shouldn't be up and about in about 3 weeks. So we're right there, but I appreciate you guys. I'm just gonna button up the little stuff that you guys have seen 100 times. Front case, no more squeak, and yeah, appreciate you guys watching. We'll see you in the next one. Peace.